malakas na palakpak ka dyan mga kids! Palakpak! Ayan, happy birthday Angel, happy birthday Mark! Okay, si Angel, 1 year old, si Mark, 5 year old. 5 years old.
Okay, parang kulang na. Ayan sila lang natin. Okay, kids, sabay-sabay natin gagawin tayo sa Angelina ng happy birthday. Okay? Okay ba sa inyo yan? Okay, ha? Okay, sabihin nyo na, hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Anong away? Okay, ha? Hindi, wala. Okay, ha? Okay, pag sinabi ko, 1, 2, 3, sing, sabay-sabay natin siya awitan ng happy birthday. Okay, ha? Yung may kasamang palakpak, yung may buhay, okay? 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!